Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Japanese for Beginners. In this session, we will discuss key sentences and conversation in Japanese. But before that, we will learn some Japanese vocabulary. So let us start. Dainika. Dainika means lesson 2. Shinbun. Shinbun means newspaper. Bunkei. Bunkei means key sentences. Kaiwa. Kaiwa means conversation. Kore. Kore means this. Sore. Sore means that. Kono hon. Kono means this. Hon means book. Kono hon means this book. Nansai. Nansai means, nan means what, sai means age, how old. Sai. Sai means age. Kagi. Kagi means key. Kudasai. Kudasai means please. Kudasai means please. Nanban. Nanban means what number. Chotto. Chotto means just a moment. Matte. This is a te form of matsu. Matsu. Matte means to wait. And so, Dainika. Dainika means lesson 2. Bunkei. Bunkei means key sentences. Number 1. Kore wa hon desu. This is a book. Kore means this. Wa is the subject particle and this is the predicate. Kore wa hon desu. This is a book. Sore wa watashi no hon desu. Here no is the possessive particle. No is the possessive particle. No is the possessive particle. Sore wa watashi no hon desu. That is my book. Sore means that, wa is the subject particle, watashi no is a possessive, no is possessive particle, hon desu. So sore wa hon desu, that is my book. Kono hon wa Tanaka-san no desu ka? Kono means kono hon wa Tanaka-san no desu ka? Is this book belongs to Mr. Tanaka? Anata wa Nansai desu ka? How old are you? Anata means you, wa is the subject particle, Nansai desu ka? Anata wa Nansai desu ka? How old are you? Watashi wa 35 歳 desu. I am 35 years old. Kaiwa, Kaiwa means conversation. Tanomu, watashi no kagi o kudasai. Please give my key, or my key please. Kimura, Nanban desu ka? What number? Tanomu, ni ichi hachi desu. 218 number. Kimura, Chotto matte kudasai. Just a moment please, or please wait for a moment. Hai dozo. Yes please. He gives the key. Kore wa anata no Shinbun desu ka? Is this newspaper yours? Or is it your newspaper? Tanomu, hai, so desu, watashi no desu. Yeah, this newspaper is mine. Here subject is omitted because it is clear from the context. So, hai, so desu, watashi no desu. Yeah, it is my newspaper. Doumo arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much. Doumo arigatou gozaimasu is a polite form of saying thank you very much. So doumo arigatou gozaimasu means thank you very much. Thank you very much. Kimura, Douitashimashite. You are welcome. Mention not. Douitashimashite means welcome. Mention not. Douitashimashite, welcome here, mention not. So, Dainika means lesson 2, Bunkei, key sentences. Number 1, Kore wa hon desu. Kore means this, what is the subject particle? Hon desu, this is a predicate. Kore wa hon desu, this is a book. Sore wa watashi no hon desu, that is my book. Sore means that, wa is the subject particle, no is the possessive particle. Sore wa watashi no hon desu means that is my book. Kono hon wa Tanaka-san no desu ka? Is this book belongs to Mr. Tanaka? Anata wa Nansai desu ka? Anata wa Nansai desu ka? How old are you? Watashi wa 35 歳 desu. I am 35 years old. Kaiwa, conversation. Tanomu, watashi no kagi o kudasai. Please give my key, or my key please. Kimura, Nanban desu ka? What number? Tanomu, ni ichi hachi desu. 218 number. Kimura, Chotto matte kudasai. Just a moment please, or please wait for a moment. Hai dojo. He handovers the key. Kore wa anata no Shinbun desu ka? Shinbun means newspaper. No is the possessive particle. Is it your newspaper? Tanomu, hai, so desu. Yeah, it is mine. Watashi no desu, it is mine. Doumo arigatou gozaimasu. Doumo arigatou gozaimasu means thank you very much. Tanomu, Douitashimashite. You are welcome. Mention not. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.